In this guide, I will be telling you how exactly you can activate NordVPN key. So basically, to begin using NordVPN, you must activate your account using 25 character activation key, as you can see here, the information as well. And this allows you to simply start using your account. So you can see now, once you get your code or you want to activate NordVPN, you can see you will get this kind of option. So you need to activate and your email address, then click on continue. You need to enter in here your activation code which you got, and below you can see you have your email address. So you can see you will be getting your checking option for verification code on your email inbox. So make sure to check your email and then enter the code in here. Once you do, the verification will be completed. And by the way, you can get 70% off on NordVPN itself. So if you want to use NordVPN, you can simply get to the link in the description below and get 70% off. So make sure to give it a try, and I hope that is going to be helping you a lot. So this was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you found this helpful in any certain way, you can subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and see you around in the next video.